Alright guys, in this video we're going to look at the transition from the short run to the long run. So we have in front of you, we have an industry supply curve and we have a supply curve of an individual firm in a perfectly competitive industry. Alright, so our industry starts off and it's in equilibrium supply and demand. Now we have the demand curve has already shifted before we're starting. So demand curve has shifted, causing the price to increase. Let me just show that there. So the price has increased. So we have a higher price. That's for the industry as a whole. Now we have, how does this affect our firm? Well, this higher price, so now we have where P, remember in the long run, we know that price is equal to minimum ATC. But since demand has increased for this product, the price has now gone up, and so our P is going to be this red horizontal bar, the demand curve there. What this means is that now in the short run, our firm is able to earn positive economic profits. All right, so with this higher price, we know that price is now greater than ATC. So this skinny rectangle here, that is the area of the firm's positive economic profit. So they're producing, again, the quantity where MC equals MR, which is right there. They're going to this area, the difference between the marginal cost and the ATC. That's our marginal revenue in ATC, I'm sorry. That's going to be our area of profits and then the entire quantity. So what's going to happen? Well, the idea is because it's perfectly competitive, there is free entry and exit. In this case, other firms are going to see the positive economic profits being made by firms in this industry, and they're going to want some of that too. And so, as a result, firms will enter. And that's the main idea here of what's happening. So firms enter into our industry, causing our industry supply curve to now shift to the right. So our industry supply curve does that. S2. And notice in this case what has happened to the price. We end up over here. So our price was initially at equilibrium price. It went up in the short run and it is back to where it started. How does this affect our model over here? Well, the price is no longer as high as it was. So now this minimum ATC, that's going to become our new price, our new demand curve, and actually this is the same as the old one. This is what it was before the demand curve had shifted to the right. So really, we started here at the black demand curve, went to the red one, and then now we're just back at the black one. And so we see here that we know our firm is now going to be producing, again, where MC intersects with MR, but now that is here instead at the minimum point of ATC, where our firm is now earning zero economic profit. So the main idea was that firms entered because they were enticed by the positive economic profits. When the firms entered, it caused the price to fall, bringing the price down for each individual firm, causing their economic profit to return to zero in the long run. All right. This has been a LaMoney production.